Hey C5ers, we're out on a day trip today. We're going down to a Making Strides ski day. We'll see what the weather's like, whether or not we're able to jump in, but come follow along. We've got a hire car to go as well. Woohoo! So, my C5 Live's crazy adventures continue. We've done a pit stop change, wardrobe change. We're about to go out and get on the river and go on the floaty biscuit and see how that goes along. See how we go. So we're out, ready on the sea biscuit.
Sea biscuit. Run the sea biscuit.
We're on the floaty, ready to go.
Longest monster.
Yeah.
It's just on a video. Wave guys! Woo! Here we go. Thank you. What do you mean you're ready? You don't have a rope connected yet. You ain't going nowhere. Lindsay's set. Well, we'll just rock it. It's all for the video. It's all just...
Yeah. It's all for...
We're just going to take it easy.
Getting excited.
There you go. Thank you, love.
Tiff, if we go leg over leg,
Yeah, that's perfect.
can't go anywhere.
Oh, look at you!
And the hands. Ready to go.
This is in his prime.
Hey!
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Here we go. See you later. Stopping it.
That was awesome. Very good. I enjoyed it in the end. I relaxed. Well done, team.
Just for a second, gotta tell them that I'm here. Look out, Eva girl.
We survived shot.
We did.
Woo! Oh. Ah, that's the best thing because it's videoed. Instagram versus reality.
I'll just see if there's anyone ready to go.
Where's Eddie? Eddie will say no, but hang on, Eva girl. Not while I have things.
I'm going on with Adrian.
Hang on, Eva, I've got cameras. Choices.
You did. That boat's only just gone, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Awesome, thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
And that's how you do it. Thanks, love.
Thank you. So we had a great time out on the water. Thanks to everyone here, and thanks to the Strides and the guys putting from the water, ski guys. Awesome. We've been out on the water, time for lunch and refueling, and it's time to celebrate with the celebration Jamison. That's how you do it. Jim, come on. Oh. That's how you do it.
Love it. You're stuck, sweetheart. You're stuck. Oh no, you're stuck. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. We've had a great day out. We're heading back home. Thanks for watching. We got back out on the water. We had a barbie. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's how you do it, guys. Woo-hoo.